I look for her every morning.
There's the little kitty cat that was born not too long ago. It's getting big now. Look at the cat. He's getting more big now. The cat grew up. Huh? There we go, right there. Oh, Achilles. It's near that cat. Oh, Achilles. Hello, Achilles. Hello. Hello, kitty cat. Hello. Oh, she's getting big, like the other cat. Let me see if I can find the white cat. Right there's the white cat. That's the other cat we found. Oh, well, the mother was outside. She was out. Yeah, the RV, right. The mother was found outside, and the kids were born here. Yeah, we just lost another cat to death, an orange one, that we have for a couple of years here. Mona. We found her crushed outside. It's a shame. One morning. But there's Snowball. And let me see if I can find the other cat again. Achilles.
It's out there, Jessie, in the living room.
In the living room?
Yeah.
Okay. Achilles. This cat's move fast. Can I find Achilles?
Achilles. Jay is the one who named him.
I know. It was Jay, right?
Yes. Jay named it Achilles.
There it is right here. That's the other cat right there. Achilles.
Yeah, Jay named him.
Let's see if I can find a cat. There we go. There's the cat right there.
They'll take a picture of me, Jay.
Achilles! There's the little cat right there. It's getting big now, the cat. Look at that.
Jesse's right, Chewy's getting jealous.
Yeah, now the old cat, Mighty Chewy, the old cat's getting jealous. Look at that cat. See the cat? He's getting very big now. The cat's getting very big now. Very big. It was more tiny. Look at now. Beautiful cat. Hey. Yeah. And that's Mighty Chewy's getting jealous. That's the old cat, the huntress. That's a very good huntress. Now she's getting jealous. That's the other cat we have, the old one, Cheesesteak. A dog cat. And my sister Virginia, she feeds a lot of homeless cat. Downstairs. Once in a while, a lot of times they come to her and she feeds them. So Virginia likes cats. That's Amira with the cat.
There you got a picture of Mighty Chewy so she doesn't get jealous?
Yes, that's Mighty Chewy. That's Mighty Chewy right there. She's very jealous. She's an old cat. And she's a great huntress.
Oh, she's excellent.
And she knows that she is. See, all these cats that we have here. There's the cat right there. That's Snowball. Yeah, these cats. They're all around the place. Then we got more downstairs. My sister feeds them. Why? Oh, she loves animals. She loves animals. There's Achilles over there. Yeah, how big the cats are now, right? They're all big now. Yeah. Okay, well.
Cheesecake, I think, is hiding.
Cheesecake is on top of the table.
Oh,
like always. She's always on top of the table.
No, it's not.
Oh, she jumped off?
Yeah.
She's right there, behind the chair. The chair's so long that you don't see the cheesesteak. That's an old cat.
Real old cat. 18 years old.
We're still waiting for the burial. Okay. Everything's fine. Everything's good. Okay. Just let you know. There's more downstairs. More cats.